Hey folks, John Peterson here, and today I wanted to just give you a quick little scenic slideshow of the Grand Teton National Park. I've been running photo workshops out here for the last 15 years and absolutely love this park this time of year. In winter, a lot of the crowds are gone. Most of the crowds are gone, actually. All the animals are down out of the high country. There's snow on the mountains, and it is just a magical time to be in this park. I just got back a couple of weeks ago, managed to process a few images, and I wanted to show them to you today. So I hope you enjoy. And if you're ever considering going to the Grand Teton National Park, do it in winter. And if you want to come along with me, I would love to do it. I'm doing it in 2025 again. And I just can't wait to share this park with as many people as possible. It's a beautiful, beautiful experience. All right, enjoy the show and have a great day. Bye bye.